Hoeing has always been an essential part of maintaining a healthy growing environment. Breaking up the soil allows water and nutrients to reach the roots of the plant easily. And of course, hoeing is an extremely efficient way of keeping weeds at bay without the use of chemicals. Two sharp points at the back of the blade give the speed hoe a powerful ploughing action to remove deeper rooted weeds and to break up hard soil to a greater depth with greater ease. Speed hoe. Faster, easier, sharper. Speed hoe has unique curving lines along each side and the back edge of the blade, which cut easily through weeds and break up hard soil without the need for hacking or digging. Hoeing has always caused pain and backache because of the constant changes in position required to use the tool. The angle of the speed hoe's blade to the shaft allows the user to hoe forwards and backwards, shallow or deep, with only small adjustments to their body position and without stress to the spine. Speed hoe does the job of every type of hoe, but in a more efficient, accurate and pain-free way. Traditional hoes are hard to control perfectly, which causes problems when working in tight spaces. The triangular shape of the speed hoe produces an unrivaled stability, preventing the hoe from twisting and producing a controlled and even cut. The pointed front offers less resistance on the forward stroke and helps to guide the blade in small spaces. You no longer need to fight your way through the garden. You don't need to remain stuck in a badly designed past. Made from stainless steel and high-quality hardwood, Speed hoe radically alters the quality and experience of your work. So for a faster, easier, sharper hoeing experience, in fact for a whole new angle on hoes, buy a Speed hoe.